Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you new page navigator features in Power BI Desktop. This feature is added in November 2021 Power BI release. If you are running Power BI Desktop before November 2021, request you to please upgrade to November 2021 release. Otherwise, you will not be able to see this feature. First, I will quickly show you how we are doing page navigation before new page navigator features, and then jump to a new page navigator. Please stay tuned. So currently, if we want to add page navigation, we need to add a button and bookmark and map each button with correct bookmark. Here you can see I have a 5 pages and I have added the 4 button total cells, my page total cells, average cells, max cells and minimum cells. There is a 4 button I have added, and at the same time I have added 5 bookmark: home, total cells, average cells, max cells and minimum cell. And after that I mapped each button with correct bookmark for navigation. Like if I want to go on total cells, I will go here. If I want to go from here, average cells, I'll go here. If I'll click on the home page, I'll come back to home page. Now this struggle is over and we do not require separate button and the bookmark. So let us start exploring new feature. So this is my report. Again, I have a 5 pages, same report. Now here, what I will do, I will click on the button and I will go to the navigator page and I'll say the page navigator. So if you notice, I have a 5 pages: home, total cells, average cells, max cells and minimum cells. All these pages are automatically added. So let me go here in the grid layout and make it vertical. So it is now vertical. So this is my home page. Now you can see here, as I am on the home page, so the home button is automatically selected. Let me copy and paste all these button in all 4 pages. So I copy it from here and I'll paste it here. I'll decrease the size here and I will put it here. If you see here, I am now on the total cells. The total cells is highlighted. You'll see and control. So here on average cells page, average cells is highlighted, means selected, highlighted or whatever the selected. Max cells. Now I will come here. OK, now I'll go here on home page. So in home page, now there is no bookmark, there is no buttons, nothing. So you can directly navigate from here. You have to press a control. If you are running this from the Power BI desktop, you have to press the control and click here. And from here, I want to go to the minimum cells, min cell. Now I want to go to the home page. So nothing, it is ready for you. Now, one more important thing here, if you are planning to add a new page in your report, you should not worry to create a button, bookmark, etc., etc. So you directly come here and say new page. And let me copy some graph from here. I'll copy the graph, or I copy the graph. Now this is the page 1. So if I'll go to the home screen, if you can see, notice the page 1 is automatically added. If I'll remove this one, if I'll delete this one, so you notice here from all the pages, the page 1 is removed. OK, if I add, you will notice on all the pages, the page 1 is added. See all the pages. So from here now I can go from here, or from any pages I can go to the page 1 also. OK, this is the new. If you keep adding pages, it will automatically update in all the pages. All the pages here, the page 1 and page 2 is automatically updated. If you remove it, it automatically removes. Okay, now now we'll see the what are the formatting options are available for this page navigator. So here we'll click here and we'll see. Here you can see there will be the fill color. If you want to change the color of your button, you can select here. So I have selected this is the fill color. Now outline, if you want to change the outline, currently it is a black. If I want to change outline to red, so you can see the red outline. If you are not able to see, I'll just increase the thickness of outline. If I'll increase the thickness of outline, so you can see from here the outline. Okay, now next one is text. So if you want to increase, decrease the text size, you can increase or decrease the text size from here. Now the shape. This is the square shape, and you can see the variety of shapes are available for this button. If you want like, you know, any shape you can choose whatever suit for you. Or if you want some, so I'll keep this one. Okay, now let me increase. Okay, now grid layout, as I show you, this is the like, you know, vertical. If you want a horizontal or grid layout. Okay. So now this will be the shadow. It's just a fancy item. It will have a little bit, you know, it will be glow. The button will glow. And this will be the also for glowing, shape glowing. You can see this, the light color. Let me select some yellow color. So you can see the yellow colors. It is glowing. Now rotation, if you want to rotate the text or anything, so you can rotate from here. You can see. So you can rotate. Or even if you want to rotate the shape, you can do this. Now the last option is the page. Let me show you how hide hidden page. Okay, what it means, like, you know, sometime in the report we have some pages which we do not want to show directly from here, and we say hide the page. So for example, I hide the page, and now if you can see, it is appearing here in the option, in the button option, but you don't want to show here, and you want to call us some another page or like, you know, so here you go and here you select show hidden page false. So it will just disappear from this page. And if you want to show from here, it is okay. If you want to disable, you can apply the same setting for this one also, like go here and say page. So it will disappear from here as well. So now the last thing. So page 1, and if you have a tooltip page, you can also do same thing like hidden page. And the title, if you want to give some title, you can give the title. Increase and decrease the, sorry, I mean, I'll increase the font and I'll say bold. So these all are the option. This option are there. If you want to set the background for this, you just click on the background and you select some, like, you know, so background color. So other option are the standard option available. So I'm not only have the unique option which is related to this navigator I explore, and other are the all are the, you know, the common buttons. So I'm not going to explore those. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Request you to please subscribe our channel and share.